Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Serial A to Z. Today we are diving into one of the most hilarious collection of the moments from the Big Bang Theory, and honestly this show was absolutely chose in the best possible way. This entire sequence perfectly captures why the character worked so well together. Every personality completely clashes with the other, and somehow that's exactly what makes it comedy gold. Let's talk about Sheldon first. One of the funniest things about Sheldon is the best genuinely believes they understand human emotion while completely falling at them every single time. There's this moment when he wishes he had a time machine so he could go back and stop himself from saying insensitive things, and Leonard basically tells him, or you could just think before you speak. That right there is classic Sheldon. And then Sheldon responds. He says the time machine is probably more likely. That joke perfectly summarizes this entire character. But honestly, the real hidden MVP in these scenes is Howard. The juggling scenes alone is comedy for perfection. Howard is trying too hard to teach Sheldon something physical and practical, while Sheldon immediately turns into a medical emergency by asking if he's developing jugular elbow, and Howard's expression says everything. The show always nailed these teeny reaction that made the jokes every funnier. Another thing this episode does incredible well is showing the weird but lovable friendship dynamic between everyone, like when Howard and Battle and start arguing money collection the purchase. It feels ridiculous but also weird. It is realistic. The Star Trek collector plates argument is such a classic married couple fight, except only Howard would compare an expensive purchase to Falcone school. And then there Raj somehow always manages to stand in the middle of absolutely nonsense while reacting like the only sane person in the room. The Stephen Hawking remote control screen and toy scene, one of the most awkwardly hilarious moments in the show. You can literally feel the second hand impressment through the screen. But the funniest part, Howard genuinely believe Stephen Hawking would find and it hilarious. That confidence is honestly impressive. Now let's talk about one of the best running jokes in the entire series. Sheldon trying to understand scrumming and social behavior. There are a scene where Leonard explains that sometimes you have to support your friend even when they are terrible at something. Sheldon processes this information like he is discovering a line like for the first time, and later he uses the exact same fake compliment on Leonard after chess. That callback is brilliant writing. The show was always strongest when it mixed intellectual humor with completely childish behavior. One second they are discussing neuroscience and theoretical physics, and the next they are fighting over a ring like it is Lord of the Rings. and honestly, the contract is what made the series so iconic. But beneath all the jokes, there are also surprisingly emotional moments, like when Sheldon admits he regrets not marrying Amy sooner, for a character who struggles to express emotion. Moments like that actually hit hard because they feel earned. The writers understood something important: Sheldon emotionally growth only work when it happens slowly, and by the later season you can really see how much the friendship changed him. Also, can we appreciate how underrated Ben Vedette? She delivers some of the most savage lines in the entire show, so with the sweetest voice imaginable. They that contract never stop being funny. And finally, one thing I really noticed re-watching these scenes is how natural the cast chemistry feel. None of the humor feels forced. Even the random background jokes land perfectly because every actor fully understands their character. That's rare in sitcoms. Overall, these moments are a perfect reminder of why the Big Bang Theory became such a massive hit. It was not just about nerd culture or science jokes, it was about characters who were completely ridiculous, deeply flawed, and somehow still incredible lovable. And honestly, that's what makes the comeback timeless. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite Big Bang Theory moments in the comment below. See you guys in the next one. Thank you. Next meet to next video. Thank you.